Hi, my name is Emily DeGraff. My pronouns are feminine. It's fine to use she or her, anything like that, if you're going to refer to me and not use my name. My year at UNL is I'm going to be a sophomore, and I have majors in English and philosophy. My interest in this class is academic and personal. Um, I have women and gender studies as a minor because I am just interested in it. I didn't have a lot of exposure to these ideas in a positive way when I was growing up. I'm 40 years old. I am a first time student. And so um, I'm looking for exposure and exposure in a way that maybe is a little more neutral than my first ideas about feminism. My definition, I think the first part of feminism as a definition is equal opportunity or equal footing or starting out from an equal place. So looking at a lifetime at what choices are available to a person and hoping that they average somewhat for everybody. Um, Agency, then being able to pursue those choices safely, reasonably, and then acceptance without a lot of pushback, without a lot of eye rolling or that you're violating mores of social constructs or I don't know, I'm rambling, but I think those ideas are important to me. I think I was really for a long time under the impression that feminism was aggressive and harsh and angry. And while I'm pretty sure that that's not what it is in total, I think it's important to have a definition that just isn't in the negative or isn't just impressions. And so those are really my interests in this class. I'm super excited to explore and go there with all of you. So thank you for watching. We'll talk in class.